Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair with video number 802. So in less than an hour, the thrill of making video number 800 has already worn off. So now I'm already thinking about 900. Heck with 800. Who cares? This unit comes out of a 67 Mustang. It was an AM radio. It comes from Austin in Tempe, Arizona. That's another customer who lives close enough to come beat me up. These black eyes are getting pretty old, guys. Guess I better start doing some better work here. Austin has requested the modern internal FM conversion with Bluetooth, and so we're here to make sure that it all works before we send her back. So I believe I have it set to FM at the moment. I have all 5 of the buttons preset to FM stations in my area so we can get through this test quickly and not stay on any one song for too long. So here we go. Turn it on. Oh, okay. We don't want to start off with that one.
Equal housing opportunity lender.
So let's just go down the lines.
This is J.C. Tricky.
Okay, so there's our 5 FM station. Let's go to AM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on AM. We get one strong station around the center.
Occur all of the time, right?
Okay, there's our AM station. So while we've got it on talk radio, let's test the virtual balance and fader functions and all that stuff.
While someone's alive. Yes, while someone's alive.
Okay, virtual fader.
The power of attorney is basically...
Here we go.
Other things in place, i.e.
fader adjust.
Okay, so now our tone control, adjusting our front.
And or the personal representative.
Accidentally hit the volume control. All the way front.
It's called the personal representative.
All the way
In
rear.
some other states, it's the executor.
Front.
But the term is interchangeable.
Rear.
Right.
Okay.
They would maintain
Center.
power over the estate of someone if the court...
Fader set.
Fader set.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Left, right, balance.
The court appointment trust just needs a
Balance adjust.
or the trust
Okay.
or the creator of the trust.
All the way left.
And then the language trust says...
All the way right.
Because you could conceivably have trust that ends.
Left.
Right.
Right.
Upon his death, right.
Because
Okay,
as I said, with
center
trust,
'em.
pretty much there's not a scenario...
Balance set.
Okay, let's
Except
make
we
sure
get
the Bluetooth goes. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
In this regard, people...
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that's working properly. So that means all functions have been tested. We got AM, we got FM, we got balance and fader, we got tuning, got volume control. The only thing we have not tested is the dial light, so let's make sure that works. Get rid of this stuff, and we'll just try this. Okay, you should be able to see that thing flashing on and off. There we go. There's the dial light flashing on and off. I always replace the dial light. So she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to post this video up on YouTube and I guess get on to the next job. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you guys know the drill by now. Please visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because now there's about a dozen options when it comes to fixing the radio, and I'm not going to sit on the phone and explain them all to you. You got to do that on the website. Then I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching, listening. Thank you, Austin, for your business from practically just up the street, and we'll see you guys next time.